Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Ups again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to deactivate your Facebook account from your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to deactivate your Facebook account from your Android phone, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after opening your Facebook app, you'll be shown a similar interface like this, where you can see your stories and everything with your stories and share the music you want. And with that being said, we deactivate your account. On the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three line icon. Tap on the three line icon like this. And on this interface, you can see the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. If not, when you scroll down, you can see the settings and privacy option available over here. Tap on settings and privacy like this, and again tap on settings, where you'll be taken to this interface. On the first category, you can see the account, and under that category there is the personal and account information. On the first, tap on the personal and account information, and over here on the personal and account information, there is the account ownership and control option available over here. Tap on account ownership and control like this, where these two options will be available. Over here will be required to tap on deactivation and deletion of the account. Let's tap over there. And if you want to delete your account, tap on delete your account. But if you want just to deactivate your account, let's go with the deactivate and tap on continue to deactivation. And you'll be required to enter your password over here. Then after, your account will be deactivated for a short period of time. And guys, this is how you deactivate your Facebook account. I'll not be deactivating my account because it's of use to me, but this is the process. When you enter your password and tap on continue, your Facebook account will be deactivated for a moment of time. And guys, if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.